If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for Realme 14T, then the answer is yes and no. It actually depends on the country or region where you purchase the phone, because, for example, if you purchase it in Europe, then most likely you do need to purchase a charger or power adapter, because you can find this graphic information on the box that of course says that we need to purchase the charger or power adapter because it is not included inside the box. However, if you are from other regions, like for example, I believe in India, you do not really have to purchase a charger or power adapter because it is actually included inside the box. And just to be sure, you can try to ask the person who is selling the phone to you whether the charger or power adapter is included. They should of course know. If not, you can tell them to check the box, of course, because, well, it is usually visible on the box if the charger is included. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!